Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the best virtual phone number provider. So without further ado, it's RingCentral because it's top-rated virtual phone number provider. It's rated number 1 by industry experts, trusted by over 300,000 businesses, 100 plus premium features, and you can have unlimited call-in, faxing, SMS, and conferencing. It is cloud-based, so no physical equipment needed, and it's perfect for remote teams and business owners. It can handle incoming calls and routes them into the right person or department. It includes call transfer, forwarding, call blocking, and call screening with caller ID, and it can control call flow with custom extensions and ring sequences. It starts at $20 a month and it offers a 15 days trial with no credit card required. Users say and praise this for value, reliability, and customer support. Also, some users find call forwarding setup a bit tricky. So RingCentral is a powerful, affordable virtual phone system ideal for businesses wanting robust features without hardware hassle. Try their free trial to see if it fits your needs. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.